So hello friends, my name is Sumit Pratap Yadav from smartestblogger.com, and in this video I am going to tell you how to create an attractive QR code for your YouTube channel or website. So let's get started to our video. Before getting started to our video, subscribe our Smartest Blogger channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. In description box I have given my post link. You want to click on that link and you will get directed to this post. Here you can see I have highlighted one of the link. You want to click on that link. After clicking that link, you will get directed to Unitag QR code generator website. Here in web section, you want to add your website link. I will add my smartestblogger.com website link. Then after click on confirm. Here you can see a demo QR code is generated. Here down you can see many of the template. I will choose one of them template. You can choose whatever template you want. Here I will choose black and I will change its color to purple. After changing color, you can see QR code is generated. After in look, you can change its dots. In looks, you can change or customize it very well. I will set it to the dots. It looks very nice. And here you can change its corners. Dotted corner looks very nice and very professional. After that, you can add your logo in between of this QR code. I will add my logo. Here you need to upload it. After uploading, you can see here my logo is there in the middle. There are many settings. You can customize it yourself. Here you can change the color of your corners, but it already in purple color. I don't want to change. And here are many settings. After your all settings are complete, here you can see download the QR code option. Then click on next and download the QR code. After clicking it, the zip file will start downloading in your website. After downloading zip file, you want to extract it. Here I will show how to extract it. This file has been downloaded, so we need to extract that file. Here I will extract it from WinRAR. It doesn't have password. After extracting, here you can see 3 images have been saved. So our QR code is now ready. Here you can see various QR code styles. If you want to create a QR code for your YouTube channel, then cut this tab and you will get directed to my post. Go to my post and again click on that link. And in web section, you now want to add your YouTube channel link. Here I will copy my YouTube channel URL. After copying this whole link, you just need to paste there. After pasting that link, set on confirm. In the template form, I will choose YouTube template. It looks very nice. You change color, logo and looks. It's depend on you how you want to change it. After changing it, you again want to download the QR code. I will choose corner rounded. After choosing this, you need to download the QR code. Click on next and download QR code. After that, this QR code will also come in a zip file. You again want to download this file and extract it. I will open that file and extract with WinRAR. If you not have WinRAR, then download it from Chrome. So was our first logo, first QR code. After that, here our YouTube channel QR code is now ready. I will show you. So this is our YouTube channel QR code. Here also 3 templates have been saved. So that's for our today video. Thank you for watching this whole video. Like this video and share with your all blogger friends. Thank you.